37 uses for baby wipes. Every home needs a packet of these multi-purpose wipes in their cupboard, whether you have a baby or not. The uses are endless and you'll soon wonder how you ever lived without them. Sure, baby wipes are useful for diaper changes, but that's just the tip of the iceberg. The following genius uses for baby wipes will convince you to keep some on hand at all times. Beauty and makeup. Use a baby wipe to remove your eye makeup after a night out. If you have sensitive skin or just want to make the wipe a little more nourishing, add a drop or two of fractionated coconut oil to it before using. Keep your baby wipes on hand when you're painting your nails, they can quickly fix any mistakes. They're also incredibly useful for cleaning the nail area pre-manicure and for giving a little extra moisture to cuticles. Keep on hand while giving yourself a manicure or pedicure, for wiping away any mistakes. Hair gone static or frizzing out in the humidity? A quick going over with a baby wipe can calm the flyaway hair. You can also tame unruly eyebrows. If you're in a hurry or feeling lazy, they will quickly dissolve stubborn mascara in seconds and are kinder to sensitive skin than cheaper cleansers. They're also a lot cheaper than most beauty wipes. Made a mess with the at-home spray tanner? Quickly wipe over spray with a baby wipe. If you dye your hair at home, you'll know how tough dye stains can be to remove. Keep a pack of baby wipes on hand to quickly clean up those drips and stains around your hairline and neck. Cleanliness. Your child may be toilet trained, but that doesn't mean they no longer make a mess. Use your wipes to clean sticky fingers and faces after eating, as well as dirty feet from playing outside. Also handy for wiping the hands of a crawling bub. Toilet paper substitute. Great for kids that have just been toilet trained and for the rest of us, for those times when we just need a little bit of extra help. You can use baby wipes to make homemade hemorrhoid wipes. Start with a package of wipes that contain aloe, then pour about 1/2 cup of witch hazel into the package. The combination of aloe and witch hazel is very soothing. Around the home. Used to clean the outside of the refrigerator, especially the handles and the inner seals where mold can develop. Also useful for cleaning the outside of other kitchen appliances, like microwaves, kettles and toasters. Baby wipes are surprisingly effective at cleaning up spills and stains on clothes. You can use baby wipes to remove makeup residue from clothes. They are perfect for getting rid of white deodorant marks on dark clothing. Baby wipes are surprisingly awesome for stain removal. Use on upholstery or carpeting. They are particularly useful on microfiber couches. Give those toys a good clean with just a few baby wipes. Get rid of any dirt, grime and germs while also making them look shiny and new again. Wipe down the leaves of houseplants to remove dust. When you have to seal many envelopes, it doesn't take long to get sick of licking the adhesive to moisten it. Just use a baby wipe to moisten the adhesive strip. Attach to a dust mop to damp down dust. It is a more effective way of cleaning, especially for eczema and asthma sufferers. Visitors about to drop by at short notice and no time for a proper clean? Grab your trusty baby wipes and give a speedy wipe down to bathroom and kitchen surfaces. Baby wipes contain moisturizing ingredients that can add shine to leather shoes, jackets, and purses. Just give them a quick wipe, then use a clean dry cloth to buff the leather to a nice shine. Wipe the sides and bottom of trainers and hiking boots after stepping in dew, grass or mud. Wash baby doll faces as well as other plastic kids' toys. Great for cleaning a blackboard or whiteboard. Wrap around the end of a broom and use on the ceiling to get rid of spider webs and dust balls. Clean fingerprints from photo frames. Run baby wipes along your Venetian blinds, or pull them through the slits in your dining chairs or other fiddly furniture to get to where dusters can't. Traveling. Keep baby wipes in your car's glove box to clean up bird poop. Bird droppings can damage the paint job on your car, so it's important to remove them as soon as possible. Use on the wheels of prams, strollers and bicycles to avoid trailing the outdoors through your home. Use on planes, trains and rental cars, as well as wiping down handles, knobs, phones and remote controls in motel rooms. An essential companion at any camping trip. From cleaning yourself when there's no shower available to washing hands and even dishes, to taking along on those solitary trips behind a discreet tree. Use for wiping down tables at restaurants and food courts, high chairs, shopping trolleys, changing tables and toilet seats in public places. Also, a great way to freshen your hands before and after eating if there's no toilet nearby. Keep a stash in your car glove box. Not only are they effective for cleaning the dashboard and car interior when you're stuck in traffic, you can also use them to clean your hands after visiting the petrol station. Use a couple of wipes to remove sunscreen, salt water and sand. Work out at the gym. Use to wipe down your bike at spin class, the sides or handles of the cardio equipment, plastic mats, seats, barbells and dumbbells. Keep baby wipes handy on camping, hiking, and road trips as a way to freshen up when you don't have a shower available. Chilled baby wipes feel so refreshing on a really hot day. The next time you have a beach day, bring a bag of wipes along in your cooler. Then when you're feeling sweaty, you can cool off with a refreshing chilled wipe. You can also keep baby wipes in your fridge during the summer to quickly cool off on those nights when you feel overheated. Miscellaneous. Aromatherapy sachet. Pop a few drops of your favorite essential oil on a baby wipe and place in your dresser drawer. Use them to clean your pooch's feet after playing at the park, to clean your cat's face or, well, another end. Molting pets. Give your pets a daily going over with a baby wipe to remove stray hairs and stop them depositing on your furniture and flooring. An effective pen, pencil, crayon and paint remover from most surfaces. Many artists also take them into the studio to keep hands clean and to remove painting errors. They're also handy for cleaning rubber stamps when card making and scrapbooking.